Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to recover Instagram deleted messages in computer. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So first of all, open this Instagram on your web browser, then click on your profile icon and click on settings, and after that click on and then click on privacy and security and scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will find this option, download data download. So you have to click on request download, and after that here you have to put your email address, and from here you have to select the information format. After selecting, click on next, and now here you have to put your Instagram password and then click on request to download. And here we can see we have started creating a file of your information, and we'll email a link to your email address once it's ready. It may take up to 48 hours to collect this information and send it to you. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. Thanks for watching this video.